Looks good. You got that?
Yeah, I got it.
It's rotating. You see it rotating?
Yeah. We looking at that right
Possibly a tornado right there.
there? I got it.
Yeah. See the vertical motion in it? We gotta get over here and watch this. Yeah, I would definitely call that a tornado. Yeah, it's still rotating.
Yeah?
You see it? You watching it?
Uh-huh.
They're gonna merge.
Yeah,
Wow,
they look like
look at
they're
that.
coming together.
See the scud underneath it?
Yeah.
Forming? Yep. There. See it rising?
Yeah.
That's definitely there's the cone. I'm sorry. You can see the old one in the rain coming out of the rain. It occluded. It's coming out of the rain. Right there.
Yeah, I see it.
And here's the new one.
I got both of them.
Yeah, that was definitely a tornado. See the cone?
Yeah.
I mean, see the needle?
Holy crap.
Wow, look at that. 2 tornadoes. We got another one forming over here. Look at that. Look at that. See all the rain curtains wrapping in?
Yeah?
Oh man, I wish I could zoom in on that.
This is
I'm gonna
as
make
far,
it. I'm gonna make it super stable
okay.
here.
Look at it. Is that a tornado?
Yeah, that's definitely, that is without a doubt a tornado.
Oh my god!
You see all the rising motion?
Yeah, it's like coming up from the ground.
Yeah, that's definitely a weak tornado.
And it stopped.
It's still going.
Still going.
We'll get closer in a minute. I'm waiting for it to make its move. Now you can start to see the base. Careful, I'm trying to pull this
Oh,
with
sorry.
steady.
Sorry.
It's getting stronger. It's about that's about 2 miles away, coming right at us. Maybe 3 miles.
Look at it move.
It's a little funnel.
Look at it go.
See how it's going back to the west?
Yeah.
It occluded. So it's going back to the west, going back into the storm.
Oh yeah? It's being sucked back in?
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that. Look at that rotation.
Coming in?
Yes. Whoa.
Look at that. You see the tube?
Yeah.
It's occluding. See how it's going back to the west?
Yeah.
It could come right at us.
Look at it move though.
It's going to come right at us.
Look at that.
It'll come right towards us.
Oh my god.
Oh, look.
Oh, look at that.
Another one.
Is that funnel?
Yeah, definitely.
Holy
It's coming
crap.
down. It's coming down. See it spinning?
Yeah.
It's right over that.
Oh, that's amazing.
Look at that.
Look.
Yeah, look up.
Oh my gosh.
It's going to come like right over here.
This is so cool.
That's a funnel.
Oh, look at it. It's coming down a little bit.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
Come on.
Look at that.
Take pictures of it. Oh my gosh. Holy crap.
Look at that.
Wow. Where's the siren guy?
I don't know. There he goes.
Perfect timing or what?
Oh, look on the ground. Look on the ground. Look at the ground. Right in front of you. Right in front of you. Right in front
Oh yeah!
Film the house. It's on the ground.
We got debris.
Definitely tornado. Definitely debris.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go, let's go. We're gonna get.
Holy crap!
Do you want to enjoy this, or do you want to try to get it on the highway right here? It's gonna cross the highway right over there.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do it. Oh my God.
Is it still going?
Yes. Holy crap. I'm gonna get it all on film. Oh my God, it's amazing.
I don't know. Look at it. See the funnel?
Yeah.
Okay.
The pole's in the way. Go forward a little bit.
Okay.
Okay.
It's occluding again. That's 4 tornadoes.
You
Look
can
at the
still
rain
see
curtains.
it.
Look at that. That's about a mile away. Start looking for satellites.
Oh my God. Look, it still has the needle.
Yeah. Wow, look at it now. Look at that
Oh
rope.
my gosh.
Look
Holy crap.
Film.
Going up. Nope, the needle's still there.
Yeah. It's just rain wrap.
It's hard to see.
Let me find a road.
Okay.
Can we stay on this road? We're gonna go with it.
That's awesome.
I'm gonna try to get better light.
Okay. I'm still filming. Oh my gosh. So cool. Alright, it's still there. Oh my God! Gotta get out of these trees. Oh my gosh, look at it.
Big tornado! Big tornado! Strong tornado!
Whoa. Gotta get out of these trees. Holy crap! Okay, oh, perfect. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Can I get out?
You're gonna get soaked.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Wow! Holy crap!
You filming?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Whoa.
We're gonna turn right at it. You filming? Film
Yeah,
out,
yeah, I
film out
got
the
it, I
front.
got it.
Film out the front.
Okay, I don't want to go.
We're okay, I got you.
Okay.
Film that.
We are going towards
Half
a
mile.
tomato.
Half mile. We're gonna go right in behind it. Start looking for debris. We're half mile. You see the debris?
Yeah.
Big debris.
Oh my God, we're right on it.
Big debris.
Okay, I don't.
It's right over there.
Okay, I see it. I see it.
You're okay. Out your window.
There's
Out your
debris.
window. Out your window.
Holy crap! Oh my God! Oh my God! There's something in the debris.
Keep filming.
What? Holy shit! Oh my gosh!
Listen! Listen to it roar! Oh my God!
That's so cool!
Zoom out.
It is zoomed out!
Oh my gosh! Look at that! Wow! Wow!
Look at the debris!
Wow!
Holy crap! Oh my God! It's a huge rope tornado!
Wow!
This is amazing! It's just tearing up the field! Can you get it?
Yeah.
Whoa! No
Listen,
way!
do you hear it? Like a.
I hear rain, that's all I hear.
Alright, I'm gonna find another road.
Oh my God!
You keep filming.
Holy crap!
Alright, I got this road.
Wow! It's still going! I can't really see the rope that well, but I see the debris.
Roll up your window. Hey, May 4th.
Wow.
Ellis County tornado, 200 yards from us. It just destroyed a barn right in front of us.
Look at this damage.
We don't know yet, but,
It destroyed